sustainable.
And some of the materials you're using in this project are really, really interesting. Can you tell me a bit more about those and what it's about them?
I mean, we have, like I said, we're working with all kinds of materials from, leftover materials. These are some projects with some furniture and from resins, from, reclaimed wood. But we're also working with the apple, from the skin of green apple, which is manufactured into a kind of leather, and cork, but in a new way, as you can see, and reclaimed wood. And also, I'm trying to see, because I have a whole presentation on materials, just to give you a few ideas here. Composite material that is made of, minerals, fibers, and binders, or woven textiles, which are really quite beautiful and innovative, and all, very durable, and coming from mixtures of materials. We have these nylon wood panels. This is a transforming wood which turns through a process into blue from the wood color, and it's all a natural process through sunlight. These are, especially when you have wet areas, we're talking about spa areas, these are sustainable tiles that are, they have a coating so the wetness is absorbed. You have not the slippery tiles that very often is dangerous in hotels and in other, in areas. So that is very exciting. There are fabrics totally done of recycled plastic, and they look quite amazing. And there's a lot of innovation from many, many artists around the world, even, going to biodegradable dyes, which are, in a sustainable way done, with less water use and with less energy. And I think you can see from the looks of it that it doesn't have to be this kind of look of just rattan or, normal bamboo to be sustainable, but there's an amazing array. And this is just like a very tiny part of our library of materials we are working with, like a vegetable leather you can see on this image, or the needle from banana fibers, and, looking, I think quite exciting. For our Saudi Arabian projects, we are looking into, using this organic brick that is formed from organic waste, and it's more, sturdier than concrete, and it's 100%, organic material, and also how you can create materials that are, again, biodegradable construction materials and stronger than the common ones, which will have less, you don't have to ship them, because this one is done from sand. Being in the desert, it can be done, and it's just the technology of knowing how to do it. And I mean, here is just, other samples, and I could go on and on.
Absolutely fascinating. I had no idea, these sort of mycelium bricks even existed. The wood that turns blue as a natural reaction to light is really beautiful, because it has kind of a unique quality to it. No panel will end up becoming the same because it's reacting to its environment. Exactly. So as well as the sustainable angle, you're getting a whole new kind of aesthetic level to it as well. And it feels like design is becoming quite organic, and quite almost, going back to nature aesthetically, as well as from a production point of view.
Yes, absolutely.